Icon series.
Exercise 3.2. Subtract these numbers. So there are two problems. So subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So how can we subtract 4-digit numbers without regrouping? So already I have explained by taking an example how to subtract 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So let us practice two problems in exercise 3.2 on subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So see the first problem. So there are two numbers are given. The first number is 8780 and the second number is 2050. And the symbol represents, what is the symbol is called minus. So if there is the symbol minus, that means we have to subtract these two numbers. So if there is the symbol plus, that means we have to add these two numbers. So by identifying this symbol, we can check whether the problem has to solve by using addition or subtraction. So we have to identify the symbol present here first. So we have to check the symbol here first. If there is the minus symbol, we have to do subtraction. So if there is the plus symbol, we have to do addition. So if the symbol represents minus, so this is called as minus. So this is the symbol for subtraction. So do subtraction here. So this is ones place, and this is a tens place, and this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Now start subtraction from ones place. So what are the digits under ones place? 0 and 0. Subtract 0 from 0. So if we subtract any number from itself, the answer is 0. According to properties of addition, we have discussed earlier. So if any number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. That means the difference between same numbers is 0. So write 0 here. Next, go to tens place. That is 8 and 5 are there. First number is 8. Second number is 5. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6, 7, 8. So children, these are the 8 fingers. What is the second number in the tens place? 5. So close the 5 fingers among these 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, how many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3 fingers are left here. So write 3 under tens place. Now go to hundreds place. So what are the digits present under hundreds place? 7 and 0. Now we have to subtract 0 from 7. So do you remember the subtraction facts? That means, do you remember the properties of subtraction? So in the properties of subtraction, we have learned one property, that is, if we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So if we subtract 0 from 7, again we will get 7. So write 7 under hundreds place. Now go to thousands place. So what are the digits under thousands place? 8 and 2. So what is the first number? 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the second number there? 2. So close 2 fingers among these 8 fingers. So children, see, I am closing 2 fingers. That is 1, 2. So children, how many fingers are left there? So count these. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 fingers remaining. So write 6 under thousands place. So children, this is the answer. That is 6730 is the answer. So see the second problem. So in this problem, they have given two numbers. That is 4500 and 1300. So these two numbers have 4-digit numbers. These two numbers are 4-digit numbers. So what is the symbol here? So what is the symbol is called? Minus. Minus means subtraction. So we have to do subtraction here. So subtract 1300 from 4500. So let us start from ones place. So what are the digits present under ones place? 0 and 0. If we subtract 0 from 0, again we will get 0. So according to properties of subtraction, if we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is 0. So now go to tens place. Here also 0 and 0. If we subtract 0 from 0, again we will get 0. Next, go to hundreds place. So what is the first number here? 5. So open 5 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what is the second number? 3. So close the 3 fingers among these 5 fingers. That is 1, 2, 3. So children, how many fingers are remaining? So remaining how many fingers here? So count 1, 2. There are remaining 2 fingers. So write 2 under hundreds place. Now go to thousands place. So what is the first digit under thousands place? 4. So open 4 fingers of your hand. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 fingers. So what is the second number? 1. So close 1 among these 4 numbers. 4 fingers. So I am closing 1 finger. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 fingers remaining. So write 3 under thousands place. So the answer is 3200. So children, in this way we can subtract 4-digit numbers without regrouping. That means without getting borrowing. So there are some more problems in this section A. Practice the remaining problems in this section at your home, which are given in your PDF. Now go to the second section in this exercise. So the second section in exercise 3.2. Please subtract these numbers. So this is, there are 2 problems are given. So this is the first problem, this is the second problem. So the first number is 6726 minus 2125. So how can we do this subtraction? So here in the previous section they have given the numbers one below the other and we have done the subtraction. So here they have given the 2 numbers one beside the other. So if the numbers are given one beside the other, this is called horizontal subtraction. In the previous section, the 2 numbers are given one below the other. That is called vertical subtraction. So now we have to write these numbers one below the other. Then the subtraction will become easier. So if our numbers are written one below the other, then it is more convenient to us to do the subtraction. So now arrange the 2 numbers one below the other. So write the greater number first and smaller number second. So now arrange the numbers in one below the other at their corresponding places. So that is ones. So first write the places. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now arrange the numbers at their corresponding places. Now first write the greater number, that is write the first number 6726. Now write the second number below it, that is 2125. So children, so in this way first we have to arrange the 2 numbers one below the other and also in their corresponding places. That means ones digit should be written under ones place, tens digits should be written under tens place, hundreds digits should be written under hundreds place, and thousands digits should be written under thousands place. So in this way, first we have to arrange the 2 numbers one below the other at their corresponding places. Now do the subtraction. So already we have practiced this subtraction in the previous section. So now do the subtraction. So start subtraction from ones place. So what is the first number here? 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the second number in the ones place? 5. So close 5 fingers in these 6 fingers. So close 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, how many fingers are remaining? There are remaining 1 finger. So write 1 under ones place. Next go to tens place. So what is the first number here? 2. What is the second number? 2. So subtract 2 from 2. So if we subtract the number from the same number, the answer will be 0 because according to properties of subtraction, if you subtract the number from itself, the answer becomes 0. So if you subtract 2 from 2, the answer is 0. That means the difference between two numbers is 0. Here the numbers are same. If you subtract these two numbers, the answer becomes 0. Now go to hundreds place. So what is the first number here? 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the second number? 1. So close one finger among these 7 fingers. So close one finger. So children, how many fingers are remaining there? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, there are 6 fingers are remaining. So write 6 under hundreds place. So now go to thousands place. So what is the first number in thousands place? 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the second number in the thousands place? 2. So close 2 fingers among these 6 fingers. So close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers are there remaining? So children, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 fingers remaining. So write 4 under thousands place. Answer is 4601. So in this way, we can do this type of subtraction. So next go to the second problem. So here also 2 numbers are given. The first number is 9678 minus. So the symbol is called minus. And 5464. That means we have to subtract 5464 from 9678. So first we have to arrange these two numbers one below the other as in the first problem. So first arrange the two numbers one below the other and write the greater number first. So among these, which is the greatest? 9678 is the greatest. So write the greater number first and arrange at the corresponding places. It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So now write the first number, that is greater number 9678. And next write the second number below the greater number, that is 5464. So children, in this way we have to arrange the given numbers one below the other at their corresponding places. That is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So you should remember that all the digits should be at their corresponding places. We should not change their places. Then the answer will become wrong. So let us start subtraction. So go to ones place, start subtraction from ones place. So what is the first number in ones place? 8. So open 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the second number? 4. So close 4 fingers among these 8 fingers. So close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, how many fingers are remaining there? So count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fingers remaining. So write 4 under ones place. Next go to tens place. So what is the first number in tens place? 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fingers. So what is the second number? 6. So close 6 fingers in these 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, how many fingers are left here? So 1 finger is left here. So write 1 under tens place. Next go to hundreds place. So in hundreds place, what is the first number? 6. So open 6 fingers of your hand. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 fingers. Now close 4 fingers among these 6 fingers. So children, close 4 fingers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have closed 4 fingers. How many fingers are remaining? So there are 1, 2. There are remaining 2 fingers. So write 2 under hundreds place. Next, go to thousands place. So in thousands place, what is the first number? 9. So open 9 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, these are the 9 fingers. And what is the second number in thousands place? 5. So close 5 fingers in these 9 fingers. So children, close the 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So children, how many fingers are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fingers remaining. So write 400 thousands place. So the answer is 4214. So children, in this way we can practice such type of subtractions. So in these you have to arrange first the one number below the other at their corresponding places and do the subtraction as in the same way as that of the 3-digit numbers, and practice the remaining problems in this exercise in the PDF at your home. Hi children, good morning. In previous episodes we have discussed about subtraction and we have practiced some problems on subtraction of 3-digit numbers in ready study part, and also we have discussed the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is subtraction with regrouping. So regrouping means if subtraction is not possible, then we have to get borrow from its previous places. That means we have to regroup the tens places and hundreds places. So regrouping or carrying or borrowing. So how we have to do subtraction with regrouping? That means how to do subtraction with borrowing. So let us see an example. Subtract 3786 and 7864. So these are the two numbers they have given. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So before going to subtract, we have to arrange these two numbers one below the other. So while arranging these two numbers one below the other, we have to arrange the digits of the two numbers at their corresponding places. So first write the places and arrange the digits of the numbers at their corresponding places. So now write the two numbers one below the other at their corresponding places. So write the places first. So what are the places? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So now arrange these two numbers one below the other at their corresponding places. So which number we have to write first? So in subtraction we have to write the greatest number first. So among these two numbers, which one is the greatest? Yes, 7864 is the greatest number. So write that number first. That is 7864. Next, write the next number below this number. What is the next number? 3786. Write 3786 below the greatest number. So write 3786. Now subtract these two numbers. So write the minus symbol. So what is this symbol? Minus. This represents subtraction. So now start subtraction from the ones place. So addition or subtraction, anyone, we have to start from the ones place. So let us start the subtraction from the ones place. So children, see what are the digits present in the ones place? 4 and 6. So we have to subtract 6 from 4. So is it possible? Can we subtract 6 from 4? No, because 4 is the smaller number, 6 is the greatest number. We cannot subtract the greatest number from the smallest number. So here subtraction is not possible. Then what we have to do and how we can do this subtraction? So if the subtraction is not possible, then we have to regroup the next places, or we have to get borrow from its previous places. So what is this previous place? Tens place. So what is the digit present in the tens place? 6. So 6 is present in tens place. That means there are 6 tens in the first number. So among the 6 tens, so get borrow 110. So we have to get borrow 110 from 6 tens. So if we get borrow 110 from these 6 tens, how many tens will be there? So 5. So strike off the 6 and write 5 here, because 110 is carried to ones place. So carry that 110 to the ones place. If we carry 110 to the ones place, then the 110 becomes 10 ones. So the 110 becomes 10 ones. So already there are 4 ones, and again there are 10 ones. Total becomes how many ones? 14 ones. Children, do you understand it? So here we have to get borrow from its next place. What is its next place? Tens place. There are 6 tens in the tens place. So get borrow 110 from the 6 tens. So if you get borrow 110 from the 6 tens, there will be remaining 5 tens. So write 5 here. Next, if 110 is carried to ones place, it will become 10 ones. Already there are 4 ones, and these 10 ones total becomes 14 ones. So write 14 here. So now do the subtraction. So children, what is the first number here? 14. What is the second number? 6. So what is the first number? 14. So open 14 fingers of your hand. But there are only 10 fingers to our hand. So we cannot do subtraction on our fingers. So in such cases, so we have to just draw 14 lines in the rough work of your notebook. So draw 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have to draw 14 lines first. Next, what is the second number? 6. So strike off 6 numbers among these 14 numbers. So strike off 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, count the remaining lines. So how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, there are remaining 8 lines are there. So now write 8 under ones place. Now go to tens place. So what are the digits present in tens place? 5 and 8. So now subtract 8 from 5. Is it possible? No, because 5 is the smallest number, 8 is the greatest number. We cannot subtract the greatest number from the smallest number. Then how can we do the subtraction? So again same process. If the subtraction is not possible, then we have to regroup, or we have to get borrow from its next place. So what is its next place? Hundreds place. So what is the digit present in hundreds place? 8. That means how many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds are there. So now get borrow 100 from 8 hundreds. So if 100 is get borrowed, then how many hundreds will be there? There will be 7 hundreds. So write 7 here. So if 100 is carried to tens place, then how many tens it becomes? 100 is equal to how many tens? 100 is equal to 10 tens. So if 100 is carried to tens place, then it becomes 10 tens. Already 5 tens are there. This is 10 tens and 5 tens. Total becomes 15 tens. So write 15 here. So write 15. So now do the subtraction. So what is the first number in the tens place? 15. What is the second number? 8. Now subtract 8 from 15. Now subtraction is possible because 15 is the greatest number and 8 is the smallest number. And we can subtract 8 from 15. So open 15 fingers of your hand, but we have only 10 fingers and we cannot do the subtraction on our fingers. So just draw lines in your rough work of your notebook. How many lines we have to draw? 15 lines. Because the first number is 15. So just draw 15 lines in your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So now children, strike off 8 lines. So strike off 8 lines among these 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total there are 7 lines remaining. So write 7 under tens place. So now go to hundreds place. What are the digits present in hundreds place? 7 and 7. So subtract 7 from 7. So according to properties of subtraction that we have discussed earlier in the previous episode, so if any number is subtracted from itself, then answer will becomes 0. That means if we subtract any number from the same number, then the answer is 0. And in the other way, the difference between same numbers is 0. That means 7 minus 7 becomes 0. So write 0 according to properties of subtraction. So now go to thousands place. So children, so what are the digits present in thousands place? 7 and 3. What is the first number? 7. So open 7 fingers of your hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Next, what is the second number here? 3. So close 3 fingers of among these 7 fingers. So close 3 fingers among these 7 fingers. So children, see, now I am closing 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So children, how many fingers are remaining? So there are remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 fingers are remaining. So write 4 under thousands place. So children, this is the way how to regroup. If the subtraction is not possible, then we have to regroup its previous places, or then we have to borrow from its previous places. So in this way, we can subtract 4-digit numbers by using regroup.